in this video, we are going to simplify some expressions which include irrational numbers. Okay, this is our first question. See here, root 2 into root 6 minus root 8 plus root 3 into root 27 minus root 6. At a glance, we know that we cannot apply any identities over here. So what we have to do next is just open the bracket. Say root 2 into root 6. Like that we have to move. Okay. So here what we get is root 2 into root 6. That is root 12. 2 into 6 is 12. So root 2 into root 6 is root 12. Minus root 2 into root 8. 2 into 8. 18. So it is root 16. Then root 3. Now root 3 we have to take it to the inside the bracket. So root 3 into root 27. So plus. Here we have a plus sign. No? Plus root 3 into plus positive root 27. So it is root of 3 into 27. Let it be like that. Then root 3 into root 6. That is root 18. Okay. Now, here we know 12. 12 can be written as what? When we factorize 12, we will get like this. Okay. So 12 is actually 2 into 3. So root 12 is actually root of 2 into 2 into 3. And we know inside the square root, if there is a pair of numbers, we can take one from there, right? So we can take 1, 2 outside. So 2 is taken out from this pair, and inside the square root, we have only 3 left. So we know root 12 is 2 root 3. So in place of root 12, we can write 2 root 3. Now root 16, 4 into 4 is 16, right? 4 into 4, 16. So root 16 is 4. So here we have minus 4. Then 3 into root 27. So first let us check what is 27. 27 when factorized we get like this, right? So 27 in 27 itself we have 3 3's. So what is root of 3 into 27? We have already 1 3 here, and 27 is 3 times 3. 3 times 3. See, shortly now we have 4 3's inside the square root. From each pair, we can take 1 out. Okay, from this 3 into 3, 1 pair, we can take 1 3 outside. From the second pair of 3's, we can take 1 3 outside. So 9 is the answer, right? Okay, square root of 3 into 27. Or we can do 3 into 27. You will get just 81. So square root of 81 is same as 9. Like that also we can think. So this is actually 9. Then minus root 18. Next we have to factorize 18. So 18 is actually 2 into 3 into 3. So square root of 18. See, here we have a pair of 3 inside the square root. So we can take 1 3 outside, and 2 is there without any pair. So 2 will be left inside the square root. So root 18. Here we have a minus sign. Root 18 is same as 3 root 2. Now, here minus 4 plus 9. Minus 4 plus 9 is 5. Then plus 2 root 3 is there. Then minus 3 root 2 is there. This is the final answer. See here, most of the kids will have some doubts like why we cannot combine 2 root 3 and 3 root 2. See here, inside the square root we have 3, and here inside the square root we have 2. Both are different, not alike. We as in algebra, see 2x plus 3x, we can write it as 5x. Okay, if it is like 2x plus 3y, we will leave it as such, right? We cannot combine them because they are not like terms. Like that, here also, see, here it is root 3 and here it is root 2. They are not like terms, so we cannot combine them. Okay, hope all of you understood. This is our next question. See, here also we cannot apply any identities. In that case, we have to open the bracket. See, first we have to distribute this 5 to the next bracket. Into the bracket it is moving. So what we get is 5 into 2. Like that, we have to do 5 into 2, 10. Then here we have a positive number and here also positive. So 5 into root 5 plus 5 root 5. Okay, that part is over. Next, we are going to distribute this root 7 into the next bracket. Okay, so root 7 into 2, both are positive. So plus, and 2 into root 7 is 2 root 7. Then root 7 into root 5. Root 7 into root 5 is root 35. Right? We can just multiply 7 and 5 and put the square root. So it is plus root 35. Now, here we have no like terms. 35, when we factorize, no, we are not getting any pair of numbers, right? So we cannot do anything with this root 35. All these things will remain like this because all of them are unlike terms. We cannot combine them. This is our third question. See here, 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. This is similar to an identity, right? We have already learned the identity. You see, both are alike, but here it is plus and here minus. So the identity is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, what is that? A square minus b square. Here, in place of a, we have 5. And in place of b, we have root 5. So a square will become 5 square, right? Because a is 5. And b square will become root 5, the whole square, because b is root 5. And root 5 the square means root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is square root of 5 into 5. See, we have a pair of 5 inside the square root. So we can take 1 out. So it is 5. Anyways, square root of x into square root of x is simply, we can take it as x. Okay. Now, see, we have to write all these things from here. So we are applying the identity a square minus b square. So it is 5 square minus root 5, the whole square. 5 square is 25. Root 5, the whole square is 5. So 25 minus 5, that is 20. 20 is the final answer. This is our fourth question. This is root 3 plus root 7, the whole square. This is similar to the identity, right? Which identity? A plus b, the whole square. This is similar to this. And we know this is same as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here, in the question, in place of a, what is given? Root 3, right? In place of b, it is given as root 7. So, in place of a square, we need root 3, the whole square, because a is same as root 3. And in place of b square, we need root 7, the whole square, right? So, here it is 3 and here it is 7. 2ab. What will become? 2ab will be 2 into, in place of a, we have to give root 3. In place of b, we have to give root 7. Root 3 into root 7. See, when we multiply the irrational numbers, we can combine. 3 into 7, 21. So 21 will go inside the square bracket and 2 is there, no? So 2 root 21. This will be the middle term here. So let us apply all these things here. We are just applying the identity. First one is a square plus a square. In place of a square, we have root 3 the whole square plus 2ab. 2 into root 3 into root 7 plus b square. Root 7 the whole square. Root 3 the whole square is 3. Now 2 into root 3 into root 7 is 2 root 21. And root 7 the whole square is 7. Okay, so this is the final answer. See, one more thing we can do. No, 3 and 7 are there. Both are numbers we can combine. So 10 plus 2 root 21 is our final answer. This is our fifth one. This is root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7. See, here also we can use the identity, right? Both are same, right? Root 11 and root 7 are there on both, right? And plus and minus. So it is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square identity. Now, in place of a, what we have is root 11. And in place of b, what we have in the question is root 7. So what will be a square? Root 11 the whole square. Root 11 the whole square means it is 11. Simply study like root x the whole square is x. So root 11 the whole square is 11. Now b square will be root 7 the whole square, that is 7. So now we can take all these things here. This is same as a square minus b square, root 11 the whole square minus root 7 the whole square, that is 11 minus 7. Okay, 11 minus 7, or it is 4. So this is the answer. This is the last question in our video. See here, we have root 5 plus 2 root 2 the whole square minus root 5 minus root 8 the whole square. So we have to split it. Split in the sense we have to do this first. So first we have to find what is root 5 plus 2 root 2 the whole square. See, this is same as an identity, right? This is a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here in this question, in place of a, we have root 5. And in place of b, we have 2 root 2. So a square will become root 5 the whole square. Right? Root 5 the whole square is root 5 into root 5, that is 5. B square is, see here in place of b, we have 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 the whole square. That is 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2 the whole square is 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Now here we have 2 into 2, that is 4. Root 2 into root 2, that is 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. Now what is this? 4 into 2, 8. So we got the extreme terms, a square and b square we got. Now we need the middle one, 2ab. What will be this? Okay, 2 times 2 into, in place of a, we have to give root 5. And in place of b, we have to give 2 root 2. Right? So this is 2 into 2 we have, right? 2 into 2, 4. And root 5 into root 2, root 10. Okay, these are the things we have to write it down. Okay, for the steps, we will write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square. That form we have to follow. So root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 the whole square. Now root 5 the whole square is same as 5 plus 2. Here see 2 into 2, 4. Root 5 into root 2, root 10. Okay, that is how we got this 4 root 10 here. Then 2 root 2 the whole square is here, no, which is 8. Okay, now we have to combine the numbers, right? 5 and 8 are here. So 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 4 root 10. Okay, this is the final answer. Thank you. Hope all of you understood.